Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn off email verification of Epic Games. How to turn off email verification of Epic Games. The first thing you do is you click on www.epicgames.com, type it in the search bar. This is www.epicgames.com. So after signing your potential to bring you here, because this is it over here. And then the next thing you're going to click on password and security, which is what I've done here. And then you see email. So this email means to use your email. So you'll be asked to enter security code sent to your address associated with your account. And if you don't want to use to turn it off, you don't want to verify using the email, then click on the three dots right in front of it and click on remove method. Then to ask you, removing email authentication will make your account less secure. If you want to proceed, if you want to click on remove email authentication, it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.